everyone, my name's Amber Krieger and I want to say welcome to Crafternoon. I hope you all enjoyed Miss Nancy's story of the fisherman and his wife. Because of that story, we're going to make a fish today, alright? So with these really cute scales. First thing you need to do is go ahead, download the template if you haven't already, cut out all the pieces you're going to need, and then in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the pieces so you get this cute fish right here, alright? Okay, so I have my big circle already. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my fish's mouth. So I'm just going to cut a triangle out. I haven't drawn this or anything, I'm just eyeballing it. Alright, there's my mouth. My mouth is magically going to become my tail later on, just like that, okay? So, I had you guys cut out 20 of these circles. What you need to do with these circles is go ahead and then fold them all in half. Except for one of them. Save one of them because one of them is going to be used for your eye. And once you do that, all you need to do is glue them down to your fish. So, that's what we're going to do. Gonna go right about there. It's good to me. And then I'm just going to fish them. I'm going to go ahead and just continue to glue these down across the fish. And if you want to, go ahead, post your pictures, and do it at Schomburg Library. And we'd love to see them. And I hope you had fun today. I know I did. And hopefully I'll see you at the next Crafternoon. All right, thanks. Bye.